Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Shruat class of Numerical Tutorials. So today's lecture is based on the topic cell cycle, which is definitely one of the most relevant topics when we talk of biological and life sciences or medical sciences examinations. So you can see a table over here. I basically summarized each and every stage phases of mitosis or interphase. And you can with the help of this particular table you can easily find out that what would be the number of chromosomes or the amount of DNA. They frame a question numerical related. Okay, so I recall in the latest NEET 2021 they framed a question. They gave a particular species and they asked us to calculate the number of chromosomes at a particular phase of the cell cycle. तो एक species दे दी और हमको निकालना था number of chromosomes कितने हो जाएंगे एक particular phase में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल G1 उन्होंने दे दिया और S फेज में हमको कैलकुलेट करना था नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर डेफिनेटली इंपॉर्टेंट and maybe later they can frame a question related to any stage of or any phase of mitosis or even meiosis, right? So let's start today's lecture, dear children. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं अगर हम बात करें G1 फेज की, मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ कि किस तरीके से you have to use this particular table. You have to apply. How would you apply this basically? So at G1 stage, suppose they give you any species, कोई भी दे दे species, कीड़ा दे दे, मकोड़ा दे दे, इंसान दे दे, चिंपैंजी दे दे, any, right? चलिए मान लेते, let's assume they have given a particular species, A दे दिया मान लिया species और उन्होंने number of chromosomes दे दिए 46 suppose at G1 stage, and they asked us to calculate the number of chromosomes at G2 phase. So clear cut you can see over here कि number of chromosomes remains the same at each phase. Like G1, S और G2 में number of chromosomes same है. तो अगर number of chromosomes, if the number of chromosomes at G1 is 46, so it's going to be 46 at S. Similarly at G2 46. Right? But when we talk of the amount of DNA, यहाँ पे N जो है वो number of chromosomes है और C जो है amount of DNA है. So when we talk of amount of DNA, we can see at S और G2 phase amount of DNA gets doubled. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. तो अगर number of chromosome amount of DNA G1 में 46 है, if it's 46, amount of DNA कितना हो जाएगा G2 में और S में? It's going to be double. It gets doubled, and that would be like 92. Clear है इतना? Clear? Very simple. So exactly हो क्या रहा है, चलिए थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं कि what is exactly happening. तो बड़ा ही सिंपल सा, बहुत ही बच्चों जैसा, let me draw a diagram. Suppose it's a cell. ये एक सेल हो गई और यहाँ पे suppose there are chromosomes and this is G1 phase. ये G1 phase है, ठीक? And if we recall the diagrams of S phase or G2 phase, please recall the diagrammatic representations. Meanwhile साथ साथ आप recall करिएगा. We know at S phase में क्या है, DNA जो होता है वो डबल हो जाता है. We know that already, no? So DNA gets doubled. तो वही तो हो रहा है टेबल में, मैंने वही तो लिखा है. I've written the same thing in the table. But the number of chromosomes remain the same. You can see here. DNA जो है बस वो डबल हो गया, इस तरीके से डबलिंग हो जाती है और सिमिलरली वो कैरी ऑन होती है G2 फेज में भी. तो यही तो हुआ है. सिंपल, very simple, no? Very simple. And now let them give you any kind of question or numerical in any examination. Let's say research, JAM, NEET, UG, कोई भी दे दे. For example, let's say कि उन्होंने इस बार क्या दे दिया, NFAs का दे दिया, number of chromosomes दे देंगे आपको. और पूछ ले अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए कितना हो जाएगा, या फिर टीलोफेज में अगर नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इतना है तो माइटोटिक सेल की एंड में कितना हो जाएगा, इस तरीके से. और मे बी दे कैन गिव यू लाइक क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू मियोटिक स्टेजेस आल्सो ना, मियोसिस. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस आल्सो. मियोसिस की भी please check the number of chromosomes and amount of DNA, and I would suggest you to check even the genome copies. genome copies भी देख लीजिएगा आप लोग, right? And diagrams are very important, standard diagrams and mechanism of course. So this is one of the most important topics when we talk of biology. So mechanism, right? Okay, so इतना ही लेक्चर था आज का. You can apply this particular table. Please make notes and use it next time. It's going to be really helpful, dear children. So keep practicing. All the very best. Take care. Thank you so much.